The video you're about to see is very, very real and may contain images that could be disturbing to some viewers. Join me now as we see what lurks inside the station fridge. Here we go. Oh my lord. Alright. I know some of this is mine. A couple of these. Hi Scott.
Hi there.
Yeah, what is that? That's for keys. I don't even know when we ate that last. Ugh. And this is mine. Oh, okay. Is that?
Ashley's breast.
That is from someone's breast.
I would assume.
Okay. I'm gonna wash my hands.
And what's that? Doesn't look good. You keep looking at it.
That's milk, but I don't know how long it's been in there. It doesn't stink, but it's going away. And what is that? Oh, God. I don't know what that is. Oh, I spilled it.
Are you cleaning out the fridge?
What's in the mystery foil? I think that's relatively new.
Are you filming?
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Oh, you're fine. These expire tomorrow. Oh my, look at this. Look at that. Who does that? Oh, we're so gross. We're so gross. November 27th. November. Bathe.